Dear students, in the last class, we learned about the remainder theorem, factor theorem, and a part of factorization of algebraic expressions. Today, we learn about the algebraic identities and factorizing the algebraic expression using these algebraic identities. What are the algebraic identities? You know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to x square minus b square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. It means a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. No. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If you compare a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, here in the case of a minus b whole cube, except a cube, all have negative signs. That is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now, a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. These algebraic identities are very useful for factorizing the given algebraic expression. Now let us consider some examples for factorization. 9x square minus 25. If you observe this carefully, this is 9x can be written as 3x whole square minus 25 can be written as 5 square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So when we are factorizing, identities are very useful. So this is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, where a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 5. So this can be written as 3x square minus 5 square, that is equal to, this we are applying, where a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 5. So it can be written as 3x plus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 5. Now let us consider another example. 25a square plus 40ab plus 16b square. When we are doing this, we have to remember the algebraic identities, because to avoid the confusion between a, this can be written as x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square. This I am writing because the given problem is contains a and b. So to avoid confusion, how you written the algebraic identity in this form, okay? Then we will not have any confusion. So this given algebraic expression I am writing here as 5a whole square plus this I am writing 16b square means 4b whole square. So this is x square and this is y square. So the middle term 40ab can be written in the form of 2xy. Let us see. 2 multiplied by, what is x? X is 5a and what is y? It is 4b. So 2 5 is 10. 10 4 is 40. So we got it. So 40ab is written as 2 into 5a into 4b. To understand easily, we have written in the reverse way. Okay? Then it is in the form of this algebraic identity x square plus 2xy plus y square, where x is equal to 5a and y is equal to 4b. So the given algebraic expression can be 5a plus 4b whole square. Now 49x square minus 112xy plus 64y square. Simply by observing this, we have to remember this: a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to a minus b whole square. This identity we have to remember by seeing this simply. So, if you compare this, again I am writing this here. 49x square means 7x whole square, and here I am writing this 64 as 8 8 64, 8y whole square. This is 7x, this is 8x. So we have to get this minus 2 into a means 7x, multiple b means 8y. So if you see 2 7 ja 14, 14 8 ja 112. So this term should tally with this. Then it can be, again I am writing this 7x whole square minus 2 into 7x into 8y plus 8y whole square. So this is in the form of the given algebraic expression, the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 8y. So it can be written as a minus b whole square, that is equal to 7x minus 8y whole square. Okay? Expansion, 2p minus 5 whole cube is equal to how much? We have to expand. This is a minus b whole cube. We know this, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, where a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 5. So the given values we are applying here in this given algebraic identity. So this is therefore 2p minus 5 whole cube is equal to a cube means 2p cube minus b cube means 5 cube minus 3 into a means 2p, b means 5 and multiplied by a minus b. A minus b means 2p minus 5. This value is 2p cube means 8p cube minus 5 cube. 5 cube means 125 minus, see here, 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 30p multiplied by 2p minus 5. Value will be 8p cube minus 125 minus 2 into 30, 60, p into p square, minus into minus plus 5 into 30, 150p. This is the expansion form of the value of 2p minus 5 whole cube. Okay? Now, evaluate 103 whole cube. Evaluate means we have to find the value. It can be written as 100 plus 3 whole cube. Algebraic identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This algebraic identity we are applying here. So then its value will be 100 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into 100 into b means 3 multiplied by 100 plus 3. So its value will be 100 cube means total how many? 6 zeros. 9 it is 27. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So we are adding here, this is 10 lakhs plus 27 plus 103 multiplied by 900. Its value will be 10 lakhs 10 to 27 plus 92,700. So its value will be 10 lakhs 92,727. Factorize a cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. By seeing this, immediately we have to remember the algebraic identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc. That fact algebraic identity we have to remember. Plus b cube plus c cube. Okay? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is an algebraic identity we have. So the given algebraic expression we are changing here or rewriting here as a cube minus 8 can be written as minus 2b whole cube means minus 2 cube means minus 8 plus 64 means this is 4 4 ja 16 16 4 ja 64. So this is minus 4 c whole cube. 64 is 4 cube and we have a minus sign here. So minus 64 c cube means minus 4 c whole cube minus ABC means A. What is B? 2B. What is the third one? Minus 4C. 4 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. Okay. So the expression is we have written as a cube plus minus 2b whole cube plus minus 4c whole cube minus 3a multiplied by 2b multiplied by 4c. Because to find the factors, we have rewritten the given expression in this form, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the identity we know. So the factors are a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So its value will be a plus b means here this term minus 2b plus c means third term minus 4c multiplied by a square. A square means a square plus b square. The second term square, it is 4b square plus c square, the third term. The third term is 4 4 ja 16c square minus ab. This is minus ab. AB means minus a into minus 2b means plus 2ab minus bc. This is minus 2b into minus 4c. 4 2 ja 8 minus into minus plus 8bc. We have a minus sign here means minus 8bc minus ca. Means this is minus ca. What is the third term? CA is minus 4C multiplied by A. Means it will be minus into minus plus 4AC. I think you have understood this. If A plus B plus C is equal to 9 and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 2B, find A square plus B square plus C square. If A plus B plus C is equal to 9 and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 2B, find A square plus B square plus C square. We know this algebraic identity, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A. So here we have all the two common. This 2 I am taking out as common, that its value will be A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So this is the algebraic expression we know, and here what is given? A plus B plus C value they have given. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 9 and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 26 they have given. Here AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 26 we know. So we have to find the value. So from this algebraic expression, A square plus B square plus C square are here A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Because this A square plus B square plus C square I am keeping it here and I am moving this 2 into AB plus BC plus CA to the other side. That's what has become a negative sign. Okay. Then substituting the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 9 and AB plus BC plus C is equal to 26 here, then its value will be A plus B plus C is equal to 9. Then this is 9 square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 26. Okay. Then it is 9 9 is 81 minus 2 into 26 which is 52. Then its value will be 9 29. So A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 29. I think you have understood my lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe only, all my future videos will be notified to you. Thank you.